Let's get better at reading. First, say the sound, then listen to see if you got it right. K, k, er, k, k, l, s, k, k, r, k, t, r, f, k, s, n, a, e, a, I, s, k, f, t, n, f, r, o, n, t, s, an, pan, it, pit, ot, pot, et, pet, an, can, op, cop, ot, cot, ut, cut, up, up, app, 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 lap, ip, lip, app, map, op, mop, app, nap, n, pen, at, cat, op, top, amp, camp, up, pup. Here's a test. Keep track of how many you get correct. T, app, tap, act, act, ip, tip, lip, clip, ut, cut, pun, fun, fun, at, cats. If this lesson was easy, go on to lesson 5. If this lesson was a little hard, repeat lesson 4. If this lesson was very hard, go back to lesson 3. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe and share it with others on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp.